Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
You arrive in Poland. Cobblestone streets, historic buildings, a completely new atmosphere. You step into a cafe. Someone greets you in Polish. You hesitate. You smile, but you don't understand. And in that moment, you feel like an outsider. But what if you could respond? Even just a few words. And suddenly, everything changes. People become warmer. Interactions become easier. Your experience becomes deeper. Because language is the key. Today, I'm going to teach you 30 essential Polish phrases that every traveler needs. Simple, practical, powerful. Let's begin. Phrase 1. Cześć. Hello, casual. Phrase 2. Dzień dobry. Good morning, good afternoon, formal. Phrase 3. Dobry wieczór. Good evening. Phrase 4. Do widzenia. Goodbye. Phrase 5. Pa. Bye. Informal. Phrase 6. Dziękuję. Thank you. Phrase 7. Bardzo dziękuję. Thank you very much. Phrase 8. Proszę. Please, ukośnik, you're welcome. Phrase 9. Przepraszam. Excuse me, ukośnik, sorry. Phrase 10. Przykro mi. I'm sorry. Phrase 11. Czy mówisz po angielsku? Do you speak English? Phrase 12. Nie rozumiem. I don't understand. Phrase 13. Możesz powtórzyć? Can you repeat? Phrase 14. Proszę, pomóż mi. Please help me. Phrase 15. Gdzie jest toaleta? Where is the bathroom? Phrase 16. Gdzie jest blank? Where is blank? Phrase 17. Gdzie jest stacja? Where is the station? Phrase 18. Jak dojść do blank? How do I get to? Phrase 19. Czy to jedzie do? Does this go to? Phrase 20. Ile to kosztuje? How much does it cost? Phrase 21. Menu, proszę. Menu, please. Phrase 22. Poproszę to. I'll take this. Phrase 23. To jest pyszne. This is delicious. Phrase 24. Woda, proszę. Water, please. Phrase 25. Rachunek, proszę. The bill, please. Phrase 26. Co to jest? What is this? Phrase 27. Czy może być taniej? Can it be cheaper? Phrase 28. Czy mogę zapłacić kartą? Can I pay by card? Phrase 29. Tak. Yes. Phrase 30. Nie. No. And there you have it. 30 essential Polish phrases that can completely transform your travel experience. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need fluency. You just need to try. Because in Poland, even a small effort is appreciated. It builds connection. It earns respect. It makes everything easier. So save this video, practice these phrases, and walk into your next trip with confidence. Because when you speak even a little, The world feels more welcoming. Safe travels and enjoy Poland.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.